Hi friends, let me show you my new tumblers. They are 20 ounces each. They are really nice ones. They are plastic tumblers. They are really nice. They are all white. You could print them if you want, or draw them, whatever you want. Nowadays, art is everywhere. And they have this a lid that you can open to use them just like a regular tumbler, or use one of these straws included. They have this like a special ring so they won't come off. See? They won't come off. So they are perfect for your home use, your office. They look nice. They are well, nice size. You can use them for whatever you need, a tumbler, whatever you need a way to of drinking beverage like this. So thank you. Really recommend them if you need them for that kind of uses.